Okay, we're in Hutchinson, Kansas. We are getting ready to go in the Strataca. I suppose the sun's right there. Strataca Underground Salt Museum, or what's it say here? This is salt mine underground. Let's go check this out. I think this is going to be kind of cool. Okay, we're going down for the 9:20 a.m. tour here. Apparently they have tours every 20 minutes. Okay. There's Ken, our tour guide. Yeah, we're going to go down 650 feet apparently, and the temperature is steady year-round, 68 to 70 degrees. And the humidity is a constant 50%. Come along with us.
You're having fun there.
We are.
Been to the Smoky Mountains twice.
Good.
Where are you headed to after that? Working way to Idaho.
All right, when you enter the lift, watch your step, and if you have any loose clothing, there's a lot of air that comes up, so you might want to hang on to it. Because this is the exit air comes out of the mine. Out of the shaft.
Yeah.
It does. Right there to that.
Now, as we go down, you'll feel pressure change in your ears, much like flying on an airplane or climbing a mountain. Just chew or swallow and it'll go away. We go down in the dark, so if anyone needs a light, I've got a light over here on the wall I can turn on. Trouble distinguishing just how deep 650 feet is, you could put the St. Louis Arch on this fort down here, and there'd still be 20 to 25 feet of surface area above it.
So we're 650 feet down right now. 650 feet below the Kansas prairie.
Welcome to the Permian River. This is Kansas Underground Salt Museum. 650 feet down. 275 million years ago, this was a shallow inland sea, extremely salty. It covered all the state of Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, all the way over to the southern tip of New Mexico.
How many miles are down here?
It's, if you walked every corridor that they've mined, by the time you got done, you'd walk probably 175 miles.
I'll be darned. Wow. Wow, this is just really cool. You guys probably cannot see it. This just goes on and on down here, which I guess we're gonna get on some kind of cart or a little train or something up here somewhere. Airport, we're just south of the airport, maybe about a mile. Oh wow, this is all underground, all the way up to the, wow.
The whole area.
Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on the trees. Let me fly like the leaves when they fall. Well, let my mind go serene.
What is that, Oldsmobile? No. Yeah, so there he is, standing right there, Mike Rowe from Dirty Jobs. Yeah, so it's scooping it up and bringing it up here and dumping it into this.
Oh, so that's
Cheers. That's thick. That's heavy. Toil.
The pedestal there to the left is missing the prop that was on it.
Yeah, so I didn't quite get that turned on in time, but there's storage down here for all kinds of different things. Secure storage. We're going on the Salt Mine Express here. Let's do it. Next to each other, or let me get this slits right.
As we get ready to start our journey into the mine, remember, for your safety, you must remain seated at all times. Keep your hands and feet inside the train, and do not raise your hands above the top of your head. All aboard the Salt Mine Express. In the wall to your right is a bulkhead. A bulkhead is what the miners call a wall that was used to direct airflow. Attention please. You may now exit carefully to your left. Go back through the loading bay and continue your underground adventure. And thanks for riding the Salt Mine Express.
Yeah.
1.6 million square feet of storage, millions of items, 65 employees, 2 shifts. Wonder how much it costs to store something down here. Mr. Freeze costume. That's it. That's the original right there. This was worn by George Clooney. All right, this is the dark ride.
What are you gonna say here?
Oh.
All right. How's your guys' tour so far? Good deal. All right, so our first stop here is going to be at our rail bed. Now, the rails was the lifeblood of the mine from about 1923 to 1983.
Okay, you guys, that's where I lost my battery. Boy, that's a cool tour. If you're ever in the Hutchinson, Kansas area, I think it took, gosh, like 2.5 hours. But it didn't seem like it. And yeah, my battery, I lost my battery, about 15-20 minutes before we were done in that, the dark ride. But anyway, this was a great trip, this cross-country trip. The next video, it's still in Kansas, and we're doing a Dalton gang hideout. We're gonna get an underground tunnel and apparently. So that's gonna be pretty cool. And then also a Wizard of Oz set, I guess. I don't know if it's where they filmed it or not, but anyway, that's the next one. So hey, appreciate each and every one of you. I love you guys. Please share this with somebody you think might enjoy it. Subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified when we publish a video. Got a lot more coming up here too. All right, love you guys. We will see you soon.